Hello and welcome to NewsX Auto. My name is Syed Shiraz Shah and this is a surprise video for you all. Actually, it's a surprise for me as well. Why? Because this is not a media unit. My friend Shashwat is visiting and it is his bike. So I thought, why not make a seat height video for you all? Okay. So this bike has a seat height of 855 mm. Alright. And I'll sit on it and show you what my reach is, and then I'll tell you a couple of things more. Alright, so like I've told you in other seat height videos, you have to first get comfortable, then put your left foot down, Alright, so a couple of observations. See, like I've told you earlier as well, and especially in one of the recent videos where I told you that you do not have to go only by the seat height figure, that seat height number. Okay, there are other factors at play. The shape of the seat, okay, the side panels, everything matters, okay, in determining your leg reach, okay, what path your leg would follow. So I'm happy to report, and as you would have seen, I was able to tiptoe on one side comfortably, okay, not on both sides simultaneously, but tiptoeing on one side is a comfortable affair even for a person like me. My height with these boots, not my height, my inseam with these boots is 29 inches, okay, and regular viewers would know that I have recently put an additional layer of sole. Without that sole, my barefoot my inseam is 27 inches, okay, so I've put an additional sole, and of course, even the regular boot has some kind of sole in it. I would say that yes, if your inseam barefoot is 27 inches, with regular shoes your inseam would be 28 inches. If you have some kind of riding experience, you would be able to manage this motorcycle. It would not be a comfortable affair, let me tell you that. If barefoot your inseam is 29 inches or even 28 inches, it would be comparatively more comfortable. However, just like I told you in the Yazdi Adventure seat height video, actually the minimum inseam requirement to manage this motorcycle comfortably would be 30 inches. Again, I have said this earlier, even if your inseam is 27 inches, 28 inches, you have your heart on this motorcycle, you would be able to ride this motorcycle. You would have to put in a lot of practice and you would be able to ride this KTM Adventure 390. Okay, so yes, that was the long and short of it, or the tall and short of it. I hope you like this video. Do hit that like button, do subscribe if you haven't already, and I forgot to tell you one thing. Unlike the Yazdi Adventure, unlike the Himalayan 450, this does not lean too much on its side stand. So picking it up from its side stand, okay, straightening the bike is a cinch. Let me just show it to you once again. Okay, that's it. The bike is straight now. So yes, one of the easier to manage adventure motorcycle for us shorties, and I hope you like the video. I will see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.